Welcome back to our Kentucky home. I'm going to make a very simple pie this morning. Anybody can make this. It takes a cup of whole milk, a half a cup of sweetened coconut flakes, 1 pack of vanilla instant pudding, and a cup of crushed pineapple drained. Now, I've already put my pudding mix in the bowl. I've got my 1 cup of cold milk, excuse me, and I've got my Danish whisk. A lot of people want to know where you can get these. They are on Amazon, and they're amazing. They take the place of a mixer a lot of times. So I'm going to pour the milk in. And I am going to do this until it gets thick. Like I said, this is so easy. I also forgot to say you need a 9-inch pre-baked pie shell. Whenever I can use this whisk, I do, instead of having to get out that hand mixer. I think besides a couple of about 3 more pies, I'm done for Christmas. I am. This is so good, and it's so easy. And if you need to take a dessert, like for the holidays or potluck or church dinner, whatever, you can, or if you just want to whip up something at home that's easy, this is. You probably got most of the ingredients in your cupboard. Well, cupboard or pantry. That's what a cupboard is. Okay. That's thickened up.
Yep.
Now, I'm going to take the cup of drained crushed pineapple. Well, you might would know it would hang in there like a hair on a biscuit, but okay. It came out finally, yay me. The half a cup of sweetened flaked coconut. You're just going to combine all that. Just get it all mixed up in there together. Of course, if you want to make more than one, just double your recipe. See how that all came together? You can see the coconut in it. It's hard to see the pineapple, but it's in there. Okay. Just going to dump that off in there. Try to get every little bite. There you go. Oh my goodness. Okay. And you're just going to put this in your pie shell. Get your spatula so you can get every bit of that out of there. Don't want to leave no goodies behind in the bowl. Okay. Then you're just going to work this around in the pie. This is easy because you don't have to cook the pie filling.
So you're saying it's easy as pie?
It's easy as pie. Yes, it is. Easy as pie. Now, if you want to serve this with some Cool Whip on top, I'm sure it wouldn't hurt it any. Just want to kind of get it all up in there. Okay. Now, we're going to chill this for 2 hours in the refrigerator. And when it's ready, we'll show y'all how it is. Well, the pie got set up, so I'm going to show y'all the inside of this. Look at all that layers. A pineapple, coconut. Done cut my sweet Erica piece. He's going to taste test it for me.
Can we get to the eating now?
Yeah,
All
go
right.
ahead. There goes the eye roll, folks. So you know he's enjoying it.
It is. It's good.
Hope y'all can make you one. Hope you enjoyed it as much as Eric is. And remember to eat a big old piece of it. Yes. And don't forget to like, share, follow, subscribe. And hope y'all like it. Hope you have a blessed day. We love y'all.